Puppy class, day 13, 14 and 15. Day 13 was a day with focus on watching our 6-month-old puppy doing some water work. We did 3 short ones and a long one, and the long one she didn't solve first. She gave up halfway out, and we threw a tennis ball, and that didn't help her. But she didn't give up.
Ska jag hämta den andra också? Ja, det blir lite så svårt. Duktig tjej. Kommer den? Kommer den? Ja, man får ta den ena, det går inte att ta båda. Duktig tjej.
And finally, she solved the problem and tried to get both the tennis ball and the dummy to my hand, but decided to take the dummy.
Ja, det är bra. Duktig koj-koj. Duktig koj-koj. Här. Här ska jag. Bra. Bra. Kom. Tack.
So she had worked well using the wind, but unfortunately that took her further away from the dummy. So we threw a tennis ball out, but that wasn't helping. But she didn't give up, and in the end she solved it. I've never expected her to be able to do that one. Day 14 was about strength and details, trying to get up on the balance disc. To be able to work on the balance disc, she has to know the words on and off. Switching to the more difficult side of the balance disc, just stepping up, on and off. The balance is the difference between injuries and health. Balance is strength in very small muscles in the paws. The muscles that is the difference between durability and to be worn out. Being able to jump into positions is also about strength, but in the loin. So this is also strengthening work, strength in the loin, which is the only part of the back that a dog can bend. Then we worked on her position in heeling. We are still working on making her stepping into sit, not backing into sit. Then, after a break, we did a second session with focus on strength. And then we worked on delivery to hand, just making her pushing the toy or pushing her nose into my hand when delivering the toy. Day 15 was about strength, balance and switching between positions.
Framför. Ja. Kan du bara till
And retrieving and puppetcasting.
Bra Dorit! Duktig! Tack!
The first tiniest try on memorizing a dream.
Bra! Där! Duktig! Bra!
Which also is the first tiny steps towards steadiness. The rest of her days are about playing, and resting. She's still not 4 months old. Made at Kennel Gold Flames by Marcy in Geronimo.